What if I told you your liver could be quietly dying, and alcohol has absolutely nothing to do with it? Right now, inside your body, your liver is working harder than it ever should. And the five things destroying it, most men eat, drink, or do every single day without a second thought. This is what a healthy liver looks like. And this is what most people's livers actually look like inside. A healthy liver is smooth, firm, and rich reddish brown. A damaged one is swollen, pale, and scarred. The shocking part? Most people with a damaged liver feel completely normal until it's too late. Did you know your liver performs over 500 different jobs inside your body? Every single second? Your liver filters your blood, produces bile to digest fat, stores energy, and removes every toxin that enters your body. Destroy your liver, and every other organ starts to fail with it. That's how critical this organ is. Here's something your doctor probably never told you. Sugar hits your liver the same way alcohol does. When you eat sugar, especially fructose from sodas, juices, and processed snacks, it travels straight to your liver through the portal vein. Your liver is the only organ that can process fructose, so it takes the full hit every single time. Every time you drink a soda, fat is literally being deposited inside your liver cells. When the liver gets overwhelmed with fructose, it converts the excess directly into fat and stores it inside the liver cells themselves. This is called non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. It now affects 1 in 4 adults worldwide. Most of them don't know they have it. Every sugar spike you experience is sending a silent emergency signal to your liver. Each time your blood sugar spikes, your liver is forced to work overtime, processing glucose, managing insulin, and trying to keep your energy stable. Do this enough times, and the liver's insulin response breaks down completely. That's the beginning of serious metabolic disease. That bag of chips you just finished? Its most dangerous ingredient goes straight to your liver. Trans fats and heavily processed oils, found in fast food, packaged snacks, and fried foods, are foreign to your body. Your liver doesn't know how to process them efficiently, so they accumulate, trigger inflammation, and slowly damage liver tissue from the inside. Inflammation is your liver's way of screaming for help, and most people completely ignore it. When the liver is exposed to processed food chemicals repeatedly, it triggers a chronic inflammation response. This sustained inflammation is one of the leading drivers of liver fibrosis, the formation of scar tissue that permanently reduces your liver's ability to function. The same fat clogging your arteries is also wrapping itself around your liver right now. Processed foods don't just damage the liver directly. They drive fat into the bloodstream that deposits around and inside the liver. Over time, this fat restricts blood flow to the liver, starving it of oxygen and nutrients it desperately needs to regenerate. Every single pill you swallow, even the ones sold as safe, must be processed by your liver. Your liver is the primary site for drug metabolism. Pain relievers, sleep aids, cholesterol medications, antidepressants, every one of them passes through the liver. Take too many, too often, and you are slowly depleting the liver's ability to protect you. Paracetamol is the #1 cause of acute liver failure in the world. Most people take it like candy. Even common over-the-counter medications produce toxic byproducts when broken down by the liver. At normal doses, the liver handles it, but combine multiple medications, take them daily, or exceed the dose, and those toxic metabolites begin accumulating and destroying liver cells. Your liver has a 2-phase detox system, and most men are running it completely burnt out. The liver detoxifies in 2 phases. Phase 1 breaks toxins down. Phase 2 neutralizes them for removal. When you're overloading your liver with medications, chemicals, and processed foods simultaneously, both phases get backed up. Toxins that should be expelled start recirculating through your bloodstream instead. That belly you're carrying isn't just sitting there. It's actively attacking your liver every hour of every day. Visceral fat, the deep belly fat that wraps around your internal organs, is metabolically active tissue. It physically compresses the liver, restricts blood flow, and constantly releases harmful compounds directly into the liver's blood supply through the portal vein. Fat cells are not passive. They are constantly sending inflammatory signals to your liver like a biological alarm system that never turns off. Visceral fat cells secrete inflammatory proteins called cytokines, including TNF-alpha and interleukin-6. These molecules travel directly to the liver, triggering a constant low-grade inflammation that over years leads to fibrosis, cirrhosis, and liver failure. Insulin resistance doesn't start in the pancreas. It starts in a fatty, overworked liver. When fat accumulates in the liver, liver cells stop responding to insulin properly. The pancreas compensates by producing more insulin, but the liver ignores it. This vicious cycle is the beginning of type 2 diabetes, and it starts silently, years before any symptoms appear. Chronic stress is doing something to your liver that most doctors never even mention. When you're constantly stressed, your adrenal glands flood your body with cortisol. Your liver receives cortisol signals and responds by releasing stored glucose into the bloodstream, even when you haven't eaten. Over time, this drives insulin resistance, fat accumulation, and serious liver damage. Your liver does its most important repair work while you sleep. And if you're not sleeping, it's not healing. Between 1 and 3 a.m., your liver enters its peak regenerative phase, clearing toxins accumulated during the day, repairing damaged cells, and resetting enzyme systems. Sleep less than 6 hours regularly, and you are robbing your liver of its only real window to recover. There are invisible molecules inside your body right now tearing your liver cells apart, and your lifestyle determines how many there are. Oxidative stress occurs when free radicals, unstable molecules produced by poor diet, stress, pollution, and sleep deprivation, overwhelm the liver's antioxidant defenses. The result is direct cellular damage to liver tissue. This is one of the core mechanisms behind accelerated liver aging. Here's the most incredible thing about your liver. It can regenerate, but only if you give it the chance. The liver is one of the only organs in the human body capable of regenerating itself. Even a liver that has lost up to 70% of its function can grow back, if the damage is caught in time and the right changes are made. The biology of recovery is genuinely remarkable. The simplest thing you can do for your liver costs almost nothing, and most men are severely deficient in it. Water is essential for bile production, toxin flushing, and liver cell function. When you're dehydrated, your liver's ability to filter blood slows significantly. Drinking 2 to 3 liters of clean water daily is one of the most powerful and immediate things you can do to support liver health. Certain foods are so powerful for liver repair that researchers are studying them as alternatives to medication. Turmeric contains curcumin, proven to reduce liver inflammation and inhibit fibrosis. Leafy greens stimulate bile production and reduce fat deposits in the liver. Berries are packed with antioxidants that directly neutralize free radicals in liver tissue. Food is medicine, especially for the liver. You don't need to lose weight to fix your liver. You just need to move. Studies show that just 150 minutes of moderate exercise per week, walking, cycling, or resistance training, can reduce liver fat by up to 30% in as little as 8 weeks. Exercise directly activates fat-burning enzymes inside the liver that no supplement can replicate. Deep sleep isn't just rest. It's the most powerful liver treatment available to you tonight for free. During deep sleep, growth hormone surges, triggering cellular repair throughout the body, with the liver being one of the primary targets. Toxin clearance accelerates, inflammation markers drop, and new healthy hepatocytes form. 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep is not optional. It is liver medicine. This is what your liver is capable of becoming, if you start making the right choices today. A healthy, optimally functioning liver means cleaner blood, better energy, sharper mental clarity, balanced hormones, and stronger immunity. Every system in your body runs better when your liver is running clean. This is what peak health actually looks like from the inside. The difference between these two bodies isn't genetics, it's 5 daily habits. On the left, a body slowly being destroyed by sugar, processed food, poor sleep, chronic stress, and excess medication. On the right, the same body, transformed by nothing more than knowledge and consistent daily choices. The liver is the starting point of everything. Brain fog, low motivation, poor memory. Did you know your liver could be the root cause? Your brain and liver are in constant communication through the gut-liver-brain axis. When your liver is inflamed and toxic, it sends inflammatory signals directly to the brain, causing cognitive decline, mood disorders, low motivation, and chronic fatigue. Fix your liver, and you may well fix your mind. Every man watching this has the ability to completely transform his liver health. Starting today. Cut the sugar. Eliminate processed oils. Sleep 7 to 9 hours. Manage your stress. Move your body. These are not complicated instructions. They are the 5 things standing between you and a liver that works the way it was designed to. Your body is waiting for you to make the decision. What happens when every single one of these 5 threats hits your liver at the same time? Sugar, trans fats, medications, belly fat, sleep deprivation. Most men aren't dealing with one of these. They're dealing with all five simultaneously. And the liver, as tough as it is, cannot win that war alone without your help. Inside your liver right now, billions of cells are silently working to keep you alive, most of them completely unappreciated. Every minute, your liver filters approximately 1.5 liters of blood. Inside the microscopic sinusoid channels, specialized cells called Kupffer cells hunt down pathogens, while hepatocytes extract toxins from every red blood cell that passes through. This system is one of the most sophisticated in the entire human body. Two paths, one choice, and the decision you make today will determine which side of this image your liver ends up on. Liver disease is almost entirely preventable, and in many cases, reversible. The research is clear. The biology is on your side. All that's missing is the decision to act. If this video opened your eyes, share it with every man you care about, because most of them have no idea this is happening inside their bodies right now. Take care of your liver, and your liver will take care of everything else.